to my YouTube channel. This is the Kishki's Vibe, and I am your boy Kishki. Today we are going to look at how to wire a 3-pin plug. Please guys, let's vibe together. Let's vibe. To wire your 3-pin plug, all you need to have is your plier, your blade, your screwdriver, and your 3-pin plug. Let's get into it. One, you have to expose the copper wire in the 3 wires of your cord. 2, gently run your blade around the outside of the cord a couple of inches from the end. Try not to cut all the way through the cord to prevent cutting the copper wire. Now you can see your 3 colored wires, which is the earth wire, the neutral wire, and the live wire. Note, the standard colors are green and yellow or green for earth, blue or black for neutral, brown or red for live wire. Unfortunately, I'm having both blue and black colored wires in this video. Therefore, I'll use blue for natural wire and then black for live wire. Now let's unscrew our 3-pin plug. And this is how our 3-pin plug looks like. Just have to unscrew all the pin. Remember, from your viewpoint, live is to the left and neutral is to the right. So the earth wire is to the top and the neutral and live wire is at the bottom. Use your blade to make an incision around each of the wires a centimeter from the end and not cut deep into the copper strands. Give the copper a couple of twists to be able to fit into the unscrewed gaps. Tighten the screws on top of the pins to make sure there's absolute no movement. Then do same for the other 2 wires. Make sure you twist it very well and insert it into the unscrewed gap and screw it tightly. Twist all the coppers so that it can fit into the unscrewed gap well. Now, place the cable grip back into position and tighten it with both screws on the other side of the plug. This will prevent any pressure from the cord pulling on the connection on the pins. Now, securely fasten the casing onto the back of the plug and screw it tightly into place. So this is our 3-pin plug. Please, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel for all your updates. Whenever you are in doubt, kindly contact a qualified electrician before you mess up with your electrical gadgets. Thank you and I love you all. Stay blessed. Stay tuned to my channel. Bye.